Good morning, guys. This is day 2 of the demolition. Day 1 we had seen a little bit of the floor coming out on the top floor, and today they are taking the doors and the windows out, as you can see in the store and the bathroom. They have already taken the doors out, and the main entry gate here at the roof has also been taken out, and they have collected everything outside and they are gonna take it away. And now I'll take you downstairs. Let's see how it is going on there. See, they have taken out windows and the doors. They have cut out the grill. See, currently he is taking the windows out of this back room. See how it looks. You can check yourself out. Demolition, first few days they try to take the wooden things away, they try to take away your grills, they try to take away everything that you have left behind. They don't leave anything, they even take your shoes. Yeah. So guys, this is the demolition day 2 update till 11 o'clock, and this guy here, he is taking the contract for breaking the house, and this is Mr. Hurilal. See this. Huh? See guys, all the woodwork in this house was done using teak wood. That's the costliest one, and right now we are just scrapping it, and I don't know in what amount they bought, but I think it's going for mere change. A new door, if you make in the same wood, teak wood, it will cost you around 12,000 for one door, and right now you can see at least 20 doors in here, and windows are separate. I think in this house we had a total of 40 doors and 10 windows and 8 iron gates and this one main gate, and 90% of the wood is teak wood. That's the most expensive one. So this is the demolition day 2 going on in here at Shamnagar, New Delhi. The date is 14th of March 2018. Time is 11 a.m. They are gonna work non-stop until 6 o'clock. And I'll give you the update in the evening that what else they did today. All right.